I'm going to share an experiment about the water cycle. Teachers can use it in their science class to show how the water cycle works. The materials we need are a kettle, 2 glass tubs and a fork, some ice, pepper, salt and soy sauce, and a piece of plastic wrap. Normally, the sun comes down to the water and heat it up. The water will evaporate into cloud, and it makes rain. So, this kettle has already prepared some boiling water that prevents the sun hitting this. Please be very careful of the boiling water. Now we are going to show how the process works. First, I pour some boiling water into this tub. Then I add some pepper, smells good, salt, and some soy sauce. Mix them. Now you can see we get a messy, but it's colorful, wonderful liquid. Okay, now I will put this small tub into this water. See, the water around the small tub will present the sea or lake, the water on earth, and this small tub will present land. Okay, now I'm going to cover this tub. Use this plastic wrap. Be sure there are no gaps along the rim. Okay, already. Now I place some ice on it. This will present the cold clouds. Okay, now we need to wait some minutes and see what happened. Okay, now we see the ice melted into water, and there are many drops of water hanging up underneath the plastic wrap. Okay, now I'm going to take off the cover. Guess what we'll get? Okay. Oh. I take off this part and clean it how it's upside. See what we get? It's clean water, right? The great thing about the water cycle is it can clean the water. Okay, that's all about this water cycle. Then when you do this experiment, you can ask your students to predict and observe and compare what happened. And for example, you can ask your students to make a prediction when you saw the materials you will need, what will you do and what will happen. And when we get this clean water, you can ask your students to taste. Is it salty? Is it spicy? And use their eyes to see the colors, the difference between them. Okay, to test their learning outcomes, you can ask your students to take a video and post it on the social media. But be sure the safety problems is very important. So please remind your students do it under their parents and needs. Okay, that's all about this water cycle experiment. Hope it's useful for your class. See you, bye bye.